Oyagala okumanya ebiriwo, ebyaliwo, oba ebigenda okubaawo. Program Tambula n'okumanya eggose. Tambula n'okumanya ku MRU TV ne Royal FM.
Officially, the Republic of Tunisia is a country in the Maghreb region of North Africa. It is bordered by Algeria to the west and southwest, Libya to the southeast, and Mediterranean Sea to the north and east. Tunisia features the archaeological sites of the Carthage dating back to the 9th century BC, as well as the Great Mosque of Cairo, known for its ancient architecture, souks, and blue coasts. It covers 1,063,610 kilometers squared and has a population of 12.1 million. It contains the eastern end of the Atlas Mountains and the northern reaches of the Sahara Desert. Tunis is the capital and largest city of the country. The official language of Tunisia is Arabic. The vast majority of Tunisia's population is Arab and Muslim. Vernacular Tunisians, Arabic is the most spoken language, and French serves an administrative and educational language in some contexts, but has no official status. It was inhabited by the indigenous Berbers. A Semitic people began to arrive in the 12th century BC, settling on the coast and established several settlements, of which Carthage emerged as the most powerful by the 7th century BC. Descendants of the Phoenician settlers came to be known as the Punic people. Ancient Carthage was a major mercantile empire and a military rival to the Roman Republic until 146 BC, when it was defeated by the Romans, who occupied Tunisia for most of the next 800 years. The Romans introduced Christianity and left architectural legacies like the amphitheaters in the 7th century AD. Arab Muslims conquered Tunisia and settled with their tribes and families, bringing Islam and Arab culture. A later large-scale Arab migration of Banu Hilal and Banu Sulam tribes in the 11th to 12th century accelerated this process. By around the 15th century, the region of modern-day Tunisia had already been almost completely Arabized. In 1818, Tunisia became a French protectorate, bringing significant political, economic, and cultural changes. But the Tunisian spirit remained independent. After World War II, a nationalistic movement led by Habib Bourguiba fought for sovereignty. On March 20, 1956, France recognized Tunisia's independence. Bourguiba became the first president, transforming the country into a republic in 1957. He modernized Tunisian society, rapidly prioritizing education and granting pioneering rights to women, outlawing polygamy and improving family law long before other nations in the region. After decades of one-party rule, a new revolution began in December 2010, fueled by unemployment, corruption, and a desire for freedom. The Jasmine Revolution was ignited by the self-immolation of Mohamed Bouazizi, a street vendor in Sidi Bouzid. This uprising not only shifted Tunisia toward democracy, recognized by a Nobel Peace Prize for the National Dialogue in 2015, but also sparked the wider Arab Spring across the region. Today, Tunisia continues to navigate its path, blending its ancient heritage with modern aspirations. It is a country that offers both the harsh beauty of the Sahara and the serene Mediterranean coast, with its rich history and resilient people. Tunisia remains, as it has always been, a vibrant tapestry of the Mediterranean.